What's up, everybody? Day 2 of Vlogust. Day 3 of August. Yes, day 3 of Vlogust. Here, hold on a second. So much better when you got power, run into the lights, and the lights come on. I love it. So, welcome to our laundry room / cupboard / yeah, that's where we're at. So anyway, I've got some work to do in here. We dropped some glass yesterday and I gotta get that cleaned up. But in the vlog today, I want to talk to you about how a light switch taught me a little thing about prayer. So prayer, talking with the Lord, light switches. What in the world do they have in common? Well, I'm so excited. Next week we're flying up to Michigan and I'm going to be preaching at a teen boys camping trip. So I'm going to be all boys and we're going to be up, way up here in the mid. And I'm super excited about going and preaching to these young boys. I've been preparing messages through the book of Daniel. And I'm on lesson 3, and it's about having a powerful prayer life. 3 keys to a powerful prayer life. And the illustration I have inside of this message is how a light switch is like prayer. Let me explain a little bit more. Ready for this? All right, now just go with me for a second, okay? The light bulb is waiting to receive power. The power is waiting to go to the light bulb. The only thing that needs to happen is turn on the light switch. The bulb represents the Christian. The power represents the power of God that He wants to send to you. The only thing that needs to happen is we need to ask for it. God says, ask and it will be given unto you. That's the light switch. That's prayer. If we will ask God, He says, I will give you the power. I'll give it to men freely, liberally. I'll give it to you. But we must ask for it first. Oh, that's just so good, isn't it? Light switch equals prayer. Electricity equals power from God. Light bulb represents Christian. Mind blown. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogust. I really enjoyed it so far. Looking forward to the rest of the week. We'll catch you guys next time tomorrow right here on the vlog. Shh.